The alternator is a crucial component in vehicle's electrical system, and its primary function is to generate electrical power. It accomplishes this by converting mechanical energy, which is derived from the engine's rotation, into electrical energy. A bad alternator can cause various problems and electrical issues in a vehicle. Here are the details of common symptoms that may indicate a falling alternator. So the first one is warning light. One of the most common signs of bad alternator is the illumination of the battery or alternator warning lights on the dashboard. This typically looks like a battery, And the second one is dimming or flickering lights. As the alternator's output decreases, you may notice your headlights, your interior lights, your dashboard lights become dimmer and start to flicker, especially at low engine speed and when using electrical accessories. The third one is dead battery. A falling alternator can't charge the battery properly, leading to a gradual decrease in battery's charge. If you find your battery repeatedly going dead, it may be due to the bad alternator. The fourth one is electrical issues. You may experience various electrical problems such as malfunctioning power windows, malfunctioning power locks, or issues with the radio or entertainment system. These problems can occur as the alternator struggles to provide sufficient power to the vehicle's electrical components. The fifth one is stalling or difficulty starting. A falling alternator may not provide enough electrical power to keep engine running smoothly. You might notice the engine stalling, especially at idle, or difficulty starting the vehicle as the battery becomes drained. The sixth one is burning smell. In some cases, a bad alternator can generate excessive heat or cause electrical components to overheat. This can result in a burning smell coming from the engine bay. The seventh one is squealing noise. A worn out or damaged alternator belt can produce a squealing or squeaking noise, especially during startup or when the engine is revved. And the eighth one is loss of power. As the alternator's output decreases, the vehicle's electrical system may draw power directly from the battery. This can lead to noticeable reduction in engine power and performance. The ninth one is the check engine light. In some instances, a falling alternator can trigger vehicle's electrical diagnostics system and illuminate the check engine light. The last one is unusual odor. Overheating of the alternator or other electrical components can sometimes produce a noticeably electrical or burning odor. If you experience one or more of these symptoms, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. As up, ignoring a failing alternator can lead to a drained battery, leaving you stranded on the road. And trust me, it sucks a lot.